So this was my compulsive buy this morning. A 65-inch Samsung curved 4K HDR television. She's beautiful. I just got her installed upstairs. I'm actually about to run out to the mall now and buy a 4K Apple TV, which sort of is the whole reason why I went out and compulsively bought this new TV. Got it at Best Buy on sale right now for $1,200, and originally it was $1,500, so save $300, not too shabby. 4K TVs definitely came down in price since when they first came out. I remember them being about $5,000. Ridiculous. But anyways, so I promised you all an update video of these front struts of the automatic HFP kit once I gave them a little bit of time to settle. And here you can see we're just at 27 inches and 1/8, possibly 2/8. This is for the passenger side. The rear are still at 27 inches even. I've measured them on and off. And here's the driver's side, which is right at 27 inches from the ground to the fender. So 27 inches driver's side front and 27, 1 to 2/16 inches on the passenger side. So all in all, the car is sitting at around 27 inches. Another thing that I just did yesterday and this morning was installed the OEM JDM badges. These are the official JDM badges. They come with the cardboard box and the packaging, which is clear and opaque. They have the clear red backing, unlike the generics that have the 3M logo printed on them. This was actually a perfect fit. I did break the 2 tabs on the OEM one for this front one. However, I did save the tabs on the rear. The front, I just came in with a flathead screwdriver right by the H and sort of started prying, and that was able to get this out without taking the entire front bumper and grille off, which I really did not want to do again, which I had to do when I installed the HFP body kit. So there's the front one. And I'll show you the rear. So it definitely gives it a bit of a more sporty look. I think the red JDM badges look good on white, black, and red Hondas. I used to have it on my Graphite Pearl 07, and it sort of made the front end look like it was Rudolph, but I definitely like this one. So anyhow, there's an update on the stance. It's a little hard to capture in my garage. I'll take another video outside. And on the JDM badges. And on the television. Alright, thanks you all for watching.